This is Andy Chambers. Thank you for joining me for today's update. We're going to start by taking a look at the Dow. The trend is up in the Dow. February's bullish reversal suggests a further advance. The next targets for the Dow are 17,000 and 17,500. A monthly close below the February low of 15,340.69 would put the bullish outlook on hold. CMS Energy has a higher low bottom set up in a bull trend. The next targets for CMS are 32, 35, and 40. A break below 25.74 would void the bullish setup. Calpine also has a higher low bottom setup in a bull trend. The next targets for Calpine are 23, 27, and 30. A break below 18.46 would void the bullish setup. Cisco appears to be poised for a further advance. The next targets for Cisco are 27 and 33. A break below 20.22 would put the bullish outlook on hold. Deere was very bullish from 2009 until early 2011. It's been going sideways since then. The sideways trading is consistent with a bullish continuation pattern. A further advance is expected. The next targets for Deere are 100, 105, and 110. A monthly close below 80.76 would put the bullish outlook on hold. DTE Energy has a higher low bottom setup in a bull trend. The next targets for DTE are 85 and 90. A break below 63.38 would void the bullish setup. eBay also has a higher low bottom setup in a bull trend. The next targets for eBay are 65 and 70. A break below 48.06 would void the bullish setup. Fastenal was very bullish from 2009 until early 2012. After going sideways for 2 years, Fastenal appears to be poised for a further advance. The next targets are 55, 60, and 65. A break below 42.48 would put the bullish outlook on hold. FXI, the China large cap ETF, has a relatively low risk setup that could have excellent upside potential. The bullish reversal in March could mark the beginning of a further advance. The next targets are 45, 50, and 55. If the Chinese market takes off again, FXI could ultimately go to 70 or higher. A break below the March low of 32.58 would put the bullish outlook on hold. IBM was very strong for about 3.5 years after the 2008 low. It hasn't done much for the last 2 years. Bullish trading since the February low could mark the beginning of the next move up. The current target is 225. A break below 172.19 would put the bullish outlook on hold. The January close above initial resistance leaves Juniper wide open up to the 2011 high of 45. A monthly close below 18.36 would put the bullish outlook on hold. Kohl's was very strong from the 2008 low until the 2009 high. It's been going sideways since then. The wide range monthly bullish reversal in February could mark the beginning of a further advance. The next targets for Kohl's are 65, 70, and 75. A break below the February low of 48.68 would put the bullish outlook on hold. MAC has a higher low bottom setup in a bull trend. The next targets for MAC are 68 and 77. A break below 55.13 would void the bullish setup. McDonald's was very strong from 2009 until early 2011. It hasn't done much since then. A higher low bottom appears to be in place at the February low. The next target for McDonald's is 115. A break below 92.22 would put the bullish outlook on hold. Last summer, MRO broke through a flat top that had been in place for 2 years. After a pullback to the breakout point, it looks like it could be ready for a further advance. The next target for MRO is 50. A break below 31.57 would put the bullish outlook on hold. NFX makes big moves. Right now, it looks like it could be ready for a big move up. The next targets for NFX are 45 and 50. It could ultimately hit 65 or higher. A break below 22.79 would put the bullish outlook on hold. POM, or Pepco Holdings, has a higher low bottom setup on the monthly chart. The next targets for POM are 24 and 29. A break below 18.04 would void the bullish setup. SO also has a higher low bottom setup on the monthly chart. The next targets for SO are 50, 55, and 60. A break below 40.03 would void the bullish setup. Bullish trading since the February low suggests that SU could be ready to rally. The next targets for SU are 37, 44, and 50. A break below 31.30 would put the bullish outlook on hold. The wide range monthly bullish reversal in March suggests a further advance for AT&T. The next targets for T are 40, 45, and 50. A break below the March low of 31.76 would put the bullish outlook on hold. Bullish trading in March could mark the beginning of a bull move for U.S. Steel. The next target for X is 40. A break below 23.32 would put the bullish outlook on hold. After a brief pause, XLE appears to be poised for a further advance. The next targets for XLE are 100 and 105. A break below the February low of 81.78 would put the bullish outlook on hold. We've been looking at monthly charts. Monthly setups can take a long time to mature. If you buy options on any of these stocks, buy as much time as you can. Thank you for your time and attention. Good luck and good trading.